Hey guys, I'm here in the Acura NSX. We have some updates to this vehicle this year, along with some chassis improvements. I haven't driven this on track except for on a drag strip a couple of years ago, and we got just a taste of its dynamic abilities on the street with that drive. But today we're gonna get a little bit more of a taste on the track. It's pretty wet and pretty hairy out though, so we're gonna be taking it pretty easy. I have Dan, a pro driver, next to me, who's gonna be I'm sure you've been nervous all day, biting your nails in the passenger seat. So.
A little bit of nail left right now.
We'll take care of you. What driving modes are we in right now?
We're in Sport Plus.
Sport Plus, okay, cool. So we have use of the paddles. Hello. I love the visibility in this car.
Easy, easy.
Oh yeah? Awesome. Yeah, pretty amazing car. And we weren't even close to feeling the limits of the cornering abilities, but you know, you can really get a taste for how well balanced it is. Sounds fantastic. Really, that torque fill is the most surprising aspect because it makes the car so responsive. In conditions like today, not really usable, but with Dan here too, we want to keep him happy and feeling safe. So good drive in the NSX. Thanks again for being a good sport.
Chris.
Yeah.
Cheers.
There you go.
Great. Thank you.